on you, Ms. Collins. Did y'all see that flyer? Can you see get that flyer out there on your desk?
Yes, sir.
You have to-
No.
Morning, everyone.
You need a flyer to get in?
No.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Um, all right, like I said, I'm gonna try to get everybody out in the order that they came in. We're gonna try to do it as efficient as possible. I know everybody's got places to go. So bear with us, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is 313 5165133. What's your name, please?
Laura Gooden.
There, Ms. Gooden. You came right on time. You ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right.
I'm gonna get the law that have a review of earlier. City of Detroit versus Laura Gooden, case number SP 126-13121. State your name for the record, Ms. Gooden.
Laura Gooden.
Today is the date and time set for a review. Ms. Gooden, I see you paid. I'm going to dismiss the case, all right?
Yes. Judge, I'd like to know, do I get a clearance after this, or how does that work?
You're good. You don't owe anything.
No, but like if I wanted to drive for Uber or Lyft for a background check, do I have anything to prove that I'm clear?
No, I mean, they should be able to, well, I would think that they would be able to look up your driving record and see that. I don't know how that works. You can get, if you need documentation, it's gonna be online, that this case is closed out and dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, Ms. Gooden. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Mr. Wallen, you ready to go on Mr. Odeshu?
Yes, I am, and also Mr. Gill.
This is the City of Detroit versus Stephen Odeshu, case number U66180023. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229. I am your House Counsel representing Stephen Odeshu. State your name, please, sir. Stephen, take yourself off mute and say who you are.
I'll give him a little help.
Stephen Odeshu?
Good. Your Honor, this Mr. Odeshu, I believe, has did he have a arraignment on a bench warrant? I'd ask the court to recall a warrant, waive any kind of formal reading, stay in mute, and ask this matter be set for a pretrial.
Very well, Honor. Not guilty to any clients you have. Give your client a $0 bond. At this time, I'll give him a pretrial date of February 23rd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right, Mr. Odeshu?
Yes, sir.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
Is that basically gonna be our day for the rest of the session, Judge?
Well, till we get to 6, and then we'll get some more dates.
Okay.
All right, Gil, where's Gil's file? Do we have Gil's file? All right, Miss Orlando. Yeah, Victor Gill. Miss Orlando,
Yes,
did you get an attorney call you?
yes. He texted me yesterday, and I spoke with
this?
him last week.
All right, who's this?
Let me go to his number. Oh, he never even gave me his name. He just texted reminding me, let me know that I had court.
Okay. All right, this is the city of Detroit. All right, good enough. This is the city of Detroit versus Victor Gill.
See, and this is attached to one of the other ones.
1 second, Mr. Gill. City of Detroit, are you Victor Allen Gill? You might have to go in there and get them out.
All right.
City of Detroit versus Victor Allen Gill, case number SP 1494036, count 20, counts 2, appearance for the record, please. Mr. Walling. Oh, he went in there.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hey, good morning. Hold on a second, Mr. Gill.
Yes,
Mr. Walling, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Gill, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Gill.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial valid insurance, Mr. Gill?
yes,
Did
yes,
you see the documentation, Mr. Walling?
Yes, Your Honor. The insurance expires May 16th, 2024.
All right, as an officer of the court, I'm gonna accept your representation on that. I'll offer you a blocking traffic, $175, sir, for this speeding ticket. You want to take the deal?
yes,
Stipulate to the basis of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
I do.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
I do.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Gill?
today,
All right, I'll just put it in for tomorrow. You're gonna come down to the courthouse and pay it?
yes,
All right, it'll be in the system. It should be in the system by the time you get there, all right?
yes, sir. Thank you,
All right. There's nothing further. Be safe, sir, and best of luck to you.
thank you. I appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right, I appreciate
Appreciate
you. Have a
your
great-
enthusiasm, Mr. Gill.
Pardon me?
Yeah.
We appreciate your enthusiasm.
Thank you. I appreciate the both of you all.
Hey, slow down though.
I will, sir. You will never see me again.
Don't say that.
I hope not.
I might see you in the grocery store.
I hope so. That'd be nice. I'll pay for your food.
All right, Mr. Gill.
Okay, y'all have a good day. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Thank you.
Edwin Brown.
I'm all set.
Yes, sir.
All set.
Thank you.
Yes. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
He can't pay for my groceries.
Well, I don't know if you're old enough to remember, God, what was Leon Jenkins? They had videotape of him taking hams and stuff. You know?
Yeah. This is the city of Detroit versus Edwin Graham. Let me see.
What time is he scheduled for?
Scheduled for, I don't know,
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Oh, is it? Oh, so you gotta wait, Mr. Graham.
Well, it's for pre-trial.
Oh, it's for pretrial?
Oh.
Okay, now we can go ahead. This is City of Detroit versus Edwin Graham, case numbers.
No, excuse me, sir, it's Graham, Graham.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what I said. Didn't I say that?
I thought so.
Yes, sir. City of Detroit versus Edwin Graham, case number, SP 113380, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 113308. Strike that. SP 11921111. SP 1201907, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1243522, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 135735, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1404409, counts 1, counts 2. SP 1404411, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1408030, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 140956001, 17310072, 21728310, counts 1, 2, and 3. And I don't know what you want to do with these other ones here that are in default. He's got a drive in an unsafe manner and disregard the traffic control device, failure to stop.
Well,
It's just the laundry. It's just a laundry list of things, and I just have to comment on this. And it's always the person that has all of the laundry list of stuff that is failure to stop, unsafe manner. I'm not saying it's true, but it's just always that the case. But anyway, those tickets, I would find if you made a motion to set aside the default, I would find good cause because I see that the offense date was 9/20 and the entry date on these two tickets are February 2nd, 2021. So he could not have possibly made a court date within 14 days if he tried. And then the other one's pretty much the same way, 6/16/2020. I know a lot of stuff was going on at that time, but I don't know if he wants to. Those points have probably been gone now. I don't know what he wants to do.
Judge, I'm going to move the court at this time to not only set aside those defaults, but to dismiss those matters. My clients get wrapped up all the time in the misdemeanors go one way, the civil infractions go another, and it then spins out of control. In this particular case, or as I understand it, you have to make a date within 14 days or, it's in default. There's a remedy against the people too. They can refile these civil infractions if they so desire. But I move to dismiss those civil infractions where he did not get notice in a timely fashion.
Something, it makes sense. I do, but I'm just really gonna have to deny it based on the fact that Mr. Graham has had these misdemeanors too. And it's not as if he came in on the misdemeanors. He let all of that fall by the wayside too.
Well,
so,
if I may respond to your thoughts on that. They're different issues. They have different remedies. They have different ways of doing things. All right? Because it's a civil matter,
Like me.
I would submit to the court that the lack of notice is much more severe than in a misdemeanor. Yes, he faces jail time. yes, there's going to be a reckoning. A lot of people aren't quite as liberal as you are on the reduction of late fees and warrant costs. And I can understand that certainly in some situations. It's not like Mr. Graham is not going to have a reckoning. It's probably going to come today or very soon. But my job is to whittle away at some of this, and I think the argument's good. The time things were blown, and that's the burden. That burden falls, as I understand it, even upon court error, it falls to the people. It should be dismissed.
Yeah, I'm just gonna deny it. I appreciate the argument, I do. But like I say, these tickets rose, a couple of them arose out of the same transaction occurrence. And then I look at the file and Mr. Rucker, strike that, Mr. Graham missed court on a trial date, where he could have addressed this stuff too. So he constantly just misses dates, and yeah, it's not one that I'm gonna dismiss. It setting aside it may be a different story. I don't know if he wants to go down that road, because I'm sure it may include a deal as it relates to what I'll do is I'll give him another trial date on this stuff.
Well, certainly at this point, unless he tells me that he has hit the lottery and he has a new job that needs a driver's license, we'll make that seems to be the sense right now. But let me talk to Mr. Graham and see if we can come up with a plan.
Very well. Mr. Graham, speak with Mr. Walling in the breakout room, and now I'm going to tell you this, Mr. Graham. If you set another trial date and you don't show up again, we're going to put a money bond on you, and they're going to be locking you up next time you get pulled over or something, because we can't keep setting these dates. Wait a minute.
I was incarcerated. That's why I couldn't make it to those court dates.
See the plot thickens already. How long were you locked up?
One time I was in there for I think 2 weeks, and the other time it was like 10 days or something like that.
Oh, right. So he likes jail then. So it won't be a big deal. Let him go ahead and then do it. So I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling, speak to him, and then we'll figure I'm sure he can help you navigate this if you follow his direction if you want to. All right. Join the room, please.
Okay.
And Andres Hernandez. Gone. Not here. Delia. Help me with the pronunciation. You got your hand raised. Unmute yourself, ma'am. Good morning to you.
It's Delia.
Delia, I'm sorry. Good morning to you. What's your last name?
Logan.
Logan. Good morning to you, Ms. Logan.
Good morning.
Okay.
Sorry about the mispronunciation.
That's okay.
Delia.
Okay. Say your name. Dear Cameron. This is city of Detroit. Let's strike the state of Michigan versus Delia Logan. Case number SX4258821, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Rucker?
Your Honor, was looking for her on my list.
Bottom of page 835, bottom of the first page, 835.
Thank you, Your Honor. Tyrone Ruck on behalf of Delia Logan, key number 61867. Ms. Logan, state your name for the record.
Delia Logan.
Your Honor, today is the date time set for a pretrial, although I don't have a offer yet for Ms. Logan.
The offer for Ms. Logan is going to be a failure to display, dismiss the other counts, $240 fine. Ms. Logan owes a lot of, before she can get a license, she owes a lot of no insurance proofs from a long time ago, 288, among some other things, but the no insurance proof is what's the biggest thing in prohibiting her from getting a license. So the offer today is a failure to display $240 fine. She has an absolute right to a trial. The other two cases will be dismissed. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Rucker. If she wants to take the deal, then I'll make sure you go over her advice or rights with her, Mr. Rucker. And if not, we can get her another date and see if she can get this thing correct.
Okay, and also, Judge, can they send me, if they've sent out offers, because maybe they sent them to the other attorney, but I haven't received none as of this morning.
They haven't been sending out any offers. That's why we've been kind of making them up on the fly.
Okay, thanks a lot, Judge. Okay, I'll join that breakout room if they can send that to me again. I see it.
Very well. Talk to Mr. Rucker, Ms. Logan. On Tierra, is Tierra here? It's another one I love. Griffin. Morning, Detective. Let me get the check-in of the people. What's your last name, Detective? I have officer.
I'm sorry, sir. Detective Greeno.
Greeno. Okay, very well. Good morning, Detective Greeno. Okay, so
Good
I
morning,
have
sir.
so Gonzalez is here. I think Gonzalez is here. So I have that, and we will. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, and I'm gonna call the city attorney's office, please, and let them know we need them down here. Put you in a breakout
thank you.
room.
Thank you.
Very well.
Okay, thank you.
Tiffany Griffin, let's see what Miss Griffin got. Back on someone. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Logan. Ms. Logan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, after discussing her rights with her, my client would like to go forward with an offer whereby she would be pleading to the amended charge of fail to display. The original charge, NOP, would be amended to the fail to display, and the remaining two counts would be dismissed. Is that your understanding, Ms. Logan?
Yes.
Did you go over her advice or rights?
I did, Your Honor.
Very well. Ms. Logan, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yeah.
Mr. Rucker went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yeah.
I didn't hear you.
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this offer, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September the 8th, 2023 at around 4:04 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of I-75 and 94. You have an occasion on that day to get stopped by a state trooper, ma'am?
Yes. I remember. Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes. I ran out of gas.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have my license. I just had my state ID, but I'm still working on getting my taking my permit.
All right, all right. You gotta get these no insurance proofs paid.
Okay.
288 and 288. And then I'll find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display, $240 fine, stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulate.
All right. When can you pay this $240, ma'am? I'm gonna give you 60 days because I see that you got a young child and that you got some other obligations. Say that again.
Okay. Okay, I'll be able to. I'll get paid every first of the month.
All right. Well, I'm sure you got a lot of things going on. All right. I'm gonna give you that 60 days. Pay it by March 11th, 2024. If there's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good day. All right.
Thank you. Oh, I have. Okay.
Go ahead.
Once I try to get my license, and get plates for the vehicle, will I be able to get license? I mean, plates for the vehicle, because when I was trying to get some, it kept saying it was I needed a form saying it was adjudicated form or something.
I don't know. These cases are gonna go away. These cases are gonna go away. The insurance case is gonna go away. I know the insurance company's got a heavy hold on everybody, and but those will go away. So I don't know that. I don't know what you have and what your situation is, so I can't answer that.
Okay.
Best of luck to you, though.
Thank you. You too.
All right, very well. Hey, all right. See you later. I'm gonna check these officers in. I got officer Sergeant Aramonte checked in. Cervantes. Good morning to all of you. Shanti, good morning to you. I don't see who you're on, Officer Shanti. All right. No, you're here. Mosley. I don't see who you're on either. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. And any other officers here? All right, Officer Buchanan, good morning to you. Don't see, okay, I see who you're here for. I'll put you in a breakout room. All right, Officer O'Driscoll, good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor.
Who are you here for?
I'm here for Jeremy Locke.
Jeremy Locke, is he here? Did he complete his stuff?
He has not completed the misdemeanor morality program.
Okay, so thank you. I'll make sure I'll note that.
Okay,
So,
great. Thank you.
Well, you're free to leave. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Tiffany Griffin. Case numbers SP 124-37771, SP 131-3733, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ryan Rucker, P number 61867, on behalf of Ms. Tiffany Griffin. Ms. Griffin, state your name.
Tiffany Griffin.
Your Honor, today is the daytime set for a pretrial and looks like a non-formal hearing for a prohibited left turn. We'd just like to get an offer so I can discuss it with my client.
Ms. Griffin, do you have a valid license?
Yes, I do.
Run her driver's license, please. If she has a valid license, we'll dismiss the 2 misdemeanors and we'll give her a blocking traffic.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm sorry, Your Honor, just for the record, I just have the one that driving while unlicensed. There's another misdemeanor?
Yeah, do 2 driving while license suspended.
Okay.
4/27/1996, Ms. Griffin.
You said say that again, Your Honor?
4/27/1996.
Yes.
All right, I just treat it like a one-stop shop so that you can you don't have to keep coming back.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Valid. License is valid. The offer is going to be blocking traffic, $175. Dismiss the other 2 matters for providing valid documentation. What would you like to do, Ms. Griffin?
Oh, I like to pay.
That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulate.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulate.
All right, find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, Ms. Griffin, and dismissing the other 2. $175. When can you pay it?
I can pay it today.
All right, you gonna pay it at DivDat kiosk or pay it? Come on down to the courthouse. It'll go through instantly. I'm gonna give you till Monday to make sure it gets here. All right. And I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. Yeah, if there's no further questions, Ms. Griffin, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you. You said how much was it again, Your Honor?
175.
175?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'll be able to also get a car with insurance and license.
I'm sure you should be able to get that now. You have a valid license?
Okay.
I don't know that do you got to talk to your insurance company and stuff? I can't answer that question.
Yeah, the reason why I say it's just in time. My husband just bought me a truck, a 2020.
Hey, you rolling good. You rolling better than me.
Thank you.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day, man.
You have a blessed day.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Robinson, Officer Robinson, good morning to you. Ms. Barrett, good morning to you. Who's your client? All right, let's move on.
Judge, I have a question. Are we going to have a city attorney today?
I called one and, they seem to, come in, almost, when they want.
Okay, I would like to have some preliminary discussions anyway about Mr. Brand.
Very well, as soon as they get here, we've already called for one. This is gonna get me down to, urine. Giger, you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Is that EURIN?
It's EUMIR. It's Emir.
EUMIR?
Correct, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry, Emir. Okay. City of Detroit. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Shamir Giger, case number SP 1441539, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello, Judge. I was checking in on my case.
I tried to call you and you didn't answer. Let me get Mr. Giger out the way, please. All right, just appearance for the record on Mr. Giger, please.
Tyron Rucker, P number 61867, on behalf of Mr. Amir Giger. Mr. Giger, state your name.
Oh, yes.
Emir Giger.
All right, let's call the date and time set for a pre-trial. It's actually set for tomorrow, but that'll be one less person we have to worry about tomorrow. Offer's going to be pleading to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. We'll dismiss the other case. That doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore doesn't carry any points. What would you like to do, Mr. Giger?
I'd have to come in next week and pay for it, sir, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulate.
Correct.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulate.
All right, find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, 175. I'm gonna give you until next Friday, 119, to make sure you pay it. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. If you don't have anything further, sir, or come on down to the courthouse. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You as well, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Eric, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. I had Deshaun Ruffin.
Ruffin. All right, I don't think Mr. Ruffin is here now. I don't think that Mr. Ruffin has appeared yet, but I think that's set for trial or something today.
Yes, it is, Judge. I wasn't able to contact him with the information I had, so I would need another date if he does show.
Let's see if we'll see what kind of information is in the file. Liggins? That's the entity. Liggins? Did I get the pronunciation right? Deontay Liggins? Unmute yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did I get the pronunciation right, sir?
Yes.
All right. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit. This is Deontay Liggins, case number V131322623, V131322723. B13132823, B13132923, B13177823, B13177923, B13178023, B13178123. Appearance for the record, please.
Tyron Rucker, P number 61867, on behalf of Mr. Sante Liggins. Mr. Liggins, state your name, please.
Shante Liggins.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have these dogs vaccinated and licensed?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. At my last court date, I forwarded you the documents showing that my dogs are licensed, vaccinated, and they were licensed and vaccinated when these citations were wrote.
And how did you forward them to me?
Through an email that you had.
Okay, let's see, what email address did you send them from?
Mr. Liggins, 614@gmail.com.
All right, let's see what you have. Very well, I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Liggins, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You too, and thank you again.
All right, you're welcome.
Judge, I have to step away for about 3 minutes to deal with another matter, another court. I'll be right back.
You're good.
All right.
Looney. Let's see what Ruffin has in his file here.
Looney.
I have a phone number, I think, for Ruffin. Make sure you have that. It's 313-629-5299.
Who are you giving that to, Judge?
629-5299. That's for Ms. Barrett, for Mr. Ruffin.
Okay.
That's all I see here. All right. and see if Mr. Welcome shows. Okay, Looney, is Looney there? Shantavia? Shantavia? Here once.
She's poking at the screen, Judge. She's trying to unmute herself.
Got it. I sent her
I'm
a
here.
little help.
Sorry.
Is this Shantavia Diamond Looney?
Octavia Diamond, Shanice Looney,
Shantavia Diamond Denise Looney.
Shanice.
1721. It's the city of Detroit versus Shantavia Diamond Denise Looney, case number SP 1456350, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1495353, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1495366, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 883553, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Shantavia Looney. State your name again, Ms. Looney.
My name's Shantavia Looney.
Today is good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for trial in the matter.
I count 8 tickets on the docket, Judge.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I called. 8 on the docket.
Okay.
I do know that Ms. Looney has some, I can allow her to pay this one reinstatement fee up front, and then she has to pay this other no insurance civil infraction, 258. Potentially, she would open herself up to get a license. I don't know if we gave her an opportunity to do that or not before. But as for the offer, I'm going to wait until the city attorney comes and gives her an offer.
What were those tickets for, Judge?
These no insurance proofs, civil infractions are what's holding up most people's licenses. She has one that's recent that I'll allow her to pay the reinstatement fee up front. We'll leave the ticket open until it's adjudicated. And then she has to pay this no insurance civil, 258, an old no insurance civil. And that potentially would give her an opportunity to get a valid license. She has an absolute right to a trial. And if she wants an offer today, we'll wait until the city attorney comes in to give her an offer.
Okay, thank you. May I speak to Ms. Looney?
May. So I'll put you in for.
Perfect.
Okay, Gales, Sean Gales. Next. Gales, do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
I'm trying to. Do you have valid insurance? I'm sorry.
No. I'm being honest. No, I don't. I didn't have time to get no insurance. I know. I said I was gonna have it this week. I should have asked. I said next 2 weeks because I had to pay my rent and everything like that. Because the situation I am in with my kids.
Well, when you gonna have it? Let's get it together.
I'm gonna say next week for sure, but I had to pay my rent because I had to prove that I got a place for my kids to stay at, and I feel like I had to
How's that going?
Actually they back in Detroit now, so right now I went to court yesterday for them, and I started my parent class yesterday too, so I'm on the road with that, and I go back to court February 23rd.
I'll give you one more chance. City of Detroit versus Deshaun Michael Gales, case number SP 148243551. Mr. Gales, today is the date and time set for a free trial. I'm gonna give you till 1/25/2024, right? Friday.
Okay, for sure.
Friday after next, all right?
Okay, for sure.
Good luck with that.
Okay, I appreciate you.
All right. Lee. John Lee. Any officers in here?
Yes. You can do that.
Whenever you're ready, Mr. Rucker. Jalen Gist is here. Let's see. Get that. Mr. Gist, did you take a driving course?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. Yes, I did.
You sent it to me?
Yes, I did. I sent it to you via email during the last court hearing.
You ready?
Yes, ready on, Looney, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record, with Ms. Looney. Ms. Looney, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, my client, would like the, opportunity to clean up her license. So why don't we adjourn this pretrial, Your Honor, see how we're doing? So she'll need those case numbers, if you could give us those case numbers on the civil infractions we had spoken of.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Looney?
Yes.
All right,
Write this down, Ms. Looney.
SP 145 63502. Pay reinstatement fee up front. That's $45. And then you're just gonna pay SP 883552. That's $258. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for you for February 23rd. You're gonna have it paid by then?
Yes.
I pay it, you gotta come down to the courthouse and pay that $45, so you might as well come down and pay both of them. Wait 48 to 72 hours, and then approach the Secretary of State. If you can't get a license, then you need to ask them for a printout, and they can tell you every courthouse that you need to go to get those things taken care of. Come back on February 23rd, 2024. Let's see where you are, all right, Ms. Looney?
We're on the case on that, Your Honor. We have a plan.
Very well.
Okay, what time?
8:30.
They send me, 8:30, okay, thanks.
8:30. Have a great day, ma'am.
Okay, you too, thank you.
Okay, I had a couple of lawyers jump in. Mr. Hartcup.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on the Jeff Lucas file. I just need to talk to the prosecutor.
No, we all.
Yeah.
Lucas. What's it set for?
It should be set for a formal hearing and a pretrial, I believe. He's got two separate counts.
Should be set for probably a hearing and a pretrial, not formal. Let's see. Jeff Lucas.
Yeah, that's correct, Your Honor. I have two separate notices. I have one that's set for a hearing and one that's set for a pretrial.
Is he here?
He was in the call somewhere. I have him by I can text him too if he's not in the list. Let me see. I'll shoot him a text to see if he's on or if he's reconnecting.
There's no other Miss Barrett. I know you're waiting. I haven't seen Dupree. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I've got Diane Orlando up today.
Very well. I know the officer is here. I'll put you in a breakout room with Miss Orlando. She's here. And
I've actually spoken to Miss Orlando, but would love to speak to the city if possible.
All right, we'll wait on that then. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, just be down to Kenyon Arnaz Lee, case number City of Detroit versus Kenyon Arnaz Lee, case number U65160522. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip Walling representing Kenyon Lee.
So Lee, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? Mr. Lee, can you state your name for the record? I don't know if those headphones are gonna get it.
Yeah, Lee.
Yeah, that's better. Good morning to you. Did you get that, Miss Linslaw?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, P35229, representing Kenyon Lee.
All right, today is the time set for writing on the bench warrant.
Your Honor, we waive any kind of formal reading at this time. My client wishes to plead not guilty. I would like the opportunity to talk to him. May I get a copy of that ticket per chance, Madam Clerk?
Certainly may. Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. You know the offer. I'm gonna send a copy of the ticket over to you, Mr. Lee. Mr. Walling will present the offer to you. You have an absolute right to a trial. Speak with him in the breakout room, please.
Okay.
Find a room, please. Mr. Rucker, are you ready? Are you ready? Hold on one second. I'm gonna take a moment. All right, while we're waiting, let me find out who that is on the 734-858-9989 number. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. What's your name, please? Good morning to you.
Mr. Jermaine Locke, Your Honor.
Locke, Mr. Locke? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
I called, I talked to probation, they got the class is on the 27th. It's once a month, but it's on the 27th of this month.
All right, let's get it done, all right?
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit.
I'm trying, sir, my best.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jermaine Carlton Locke, case number SB 140-35581. State your name for the record. State your name for the record, Mr. Locke.
Yes, Mr. Jermaine Locke.
All right, the class is on the 27th?
Yes, it's once a month, they told me. Morality class. I called and talked to the guy.
I think I gave you that.
That's what we printed out just earlier this morning. The 825.
Come back on the 23rd of February.
23rd. Okay, thank you.
On February 23rd at 8:25.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, Mr. Locke.
You too.
Nicole, what's your last name, Nicole?
I got it.
Kenneth Gill.
Kenneth Gill.
Say that again.
1 second. My name is Kenneth Gill.
Kenneth Gill. All right.
All right, thank you. Thanks.
Pedro Salas. Good morning to you.
Morning, sir.
All right. I just want to make sure you didn't need an interpreter. Gates here. This is here. Later is here. Michael Laidler.
I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can't see you though. Do you have a valid license?
No, sir.
You have a twin sister?
Yes, sir.
She needs to come see me too.
Wow.
All right. Well, did I give you a chance to get a license?
No, sir.
Mr. Rucker, are we ready?
What the lawyer says. Am I muted?
No, you're not. I'm not even letting this person in. Is there a way we can find out, Ms. Williams Law, if that person that's in the breakout room has a case number?
I can try her. Let me see.
All right, can we get a city attorney, please?
Mr. Myron calling game for Judge Perkins. No one responded to the first request. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. She says Shannon should be. I have this. Shannon wants her to-
I sent a message, Your Honor, so hopefully I'll get a response.
All right. Tierra, can you unmute yourself? Start your camera, please. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
What's your last name?
W-A-R-E.
W-A-R-E, where?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning, Jamal.
Good morning.
All those are trials. I'm gonna give you a number. Officers are in a great type of.
All these people, officers are here?
Yeah, and officers are here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, just waiting on a lawyer so we can keep moving. Mr. Rucker.
Your Honor?
Yes, let's go back on the record. We ready on Mr. Lee?
We are.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes to accept the people's recommendation to amend a charge of disorderly conduct. I've reviewed the ticket. The disorderly conduct is not engaging of a prostitute, but is in fact a public sex act. So there's no penalties we had to work. When I first saw it, I thought I had a client there, but no.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lee?
Did he come out?
Yes.
Oh,
He came out.
okay.
Mr. Lee, can you want to take the deal?
Yes.
I can't hear you. You're gonna have to do something about that headphone thing. I don't know if that's gonna be the best way to proceed.
Yes, sir. I would like to take it.
I gotta be able to hear you.
Yes, sir. I would like to take it.
Turn your camera on, please. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Speak up, please.
Yes.
You understand, did Mr. Walling go over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Please speak up louder. Take the headphones off. That's not working. Let's see if that's any better. Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
I still can't hear him.
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to, is this July 25th, 2022 at around 9:56 p.m. in Detroit in the area of Steele and Kendall Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
I didn't hear you.
Yes.
Wayne County Sheriff, Judge.
All right, were you, did you do something out there that, sir, that caused the police presence?
Yes, sir.
Would you say that that police presence disturbed the good nature of that community over there?
Didn't say that, but
You won't say that?
no, I wasn't disturbing anybody, but it wasn't right.
Well, if you did something to cause a police presence, don't you think a police presence out there in that neighborhood would disturb people?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you did do something that would cause a disturbance out there, right?
That's right.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct.
Thank you, Your Honor.
$240 fine. Misdemeanor morality and HIV STD testing. I'm gonna give you 30 days to do that. Review on February the 12th, 2024 at 8:25. I'm gonna refer it to probation just for you to be able to get the class and they can give you a testing site if you don't already have one yourself. What's your phone number, please?
313-815-9636.
All right, I'm gonna refer this to probation. They should call you, pay the $240, any DivNet kiosk in the city of Detroit, or pay it down here at the court. I'm told you can upload the DivNet app to your phone. If you don't hear from them in the next week or so, give them a call at 313-965-3414, or give us a call back. We'll facilitate that. That'll expedite things and make sure you forward your documentation to them. All right?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you. Let me take a few seconds, minutes recess.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you.
Judge Perkins called on Mrs. Jones. The judge is on the bench. Are you scheduled for participation? You will Zoom. Okay, I'll let the judge know. Judge, the city prosecutor is always on trying to get in.
Who?
DMA says on Zoom trying to get in 2 cents. Okay, thank you. My co-host.
Good morning, Your Honor. I don't have a docket sheet. May I please get a docket sheet? I cannot do anything without a docket sheet or knowing what I'm doing. This is Dia Mason, City Prosecutor. I can come down and get a docket sheet, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. I'm sorry, I said all that, Ms. Mason. Good morning, Happy New Year to you. Good to see you. We're gonna send you that. She can, if you can chat Ms. Mathis your email, she'll send it to you so you don't have to come down. This is the City of Detroit versus Capri Gabrielle, case number SB 1506106, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
For the City of Detroit, Your Honor, Chiku Mason, 43471.
Tyron Rucker, P number 61867, on behalf of Ms. Capri Gabrielle. Ms. Gabrielle, state your name. Ms. Gabrielle? Good morning, Ms. Mason. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Mr. Rucker.
Okay.
What are her charges?
This is
Open alcohol
vehicle passenger. I know the city doesn't go any lower than that, so that'll be a 1-for-1, $240 fine, 2-point offense, absolute
What's
right
the other
to a
one, Your
trial.
Honor?
She has a motor vehicle passenger and a no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay, very good, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I apologize. Court reporter missed the beginning of your statement due to, I think someone else was talking at the same time. Something of alcohol in a
alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. The city doesn't like to go any lower than that. So that will be a 1-for-1, $240 fine. Ms. Capri Gabrielle, can you unmute yourself, please, and start your video? If you can't do it, we're gonna pass the matter.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we need to see your video, ma'am.
Sorry.
I need to see you on the video too.
Oh my God.
Huh?
Your Honor, can I get privileges, please?
1 second. Can you see me?
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant, Counselor.
Your Honor, at this time, my client wishes to stand mute, waive the formal reading of the charges.
And they're not guilty plea on our behalf. Go in the breakout room and speak with your client, see if she wants to. She has an absolute right to a trial. I don't know if she heard the offer, but I know.
No, I didn't hear the offer.
Yeah, I'm pretty confident that your attorney did. So speak to Mr. Rucker in the breakout room, please.
Thank you for the privileges, Your Honor. While she's doing that, I will come down and get the docket sheet, Your Honor. Thank you. This is Chiku Mason.
Okay.
You're gonna check in?
Pardon me, are we ready to go on another client, Mr.
Are we gonna have Ms. Mason?
We're gonna have, it seems like both Ms. Mason and Mr. Goss, so hopefully we can move a little faster. Are you ready on Mr. Or can we call Mr. Gates? We need one.
How's it going?
How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Happy New Year to you.
Same to you.
Judge, this is Miss Barrett on Mr. Ruffin. I didn't see him show up.
Mr. Ruffin, is Mr. Ruffin here? Let me see who this is on this phone. I'm not letting this other person in because they can't give us any information, and I don't want that to come up. Who's on? Good morning to you on the 586-615-9058 number. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yeah, what's
I
your
said
name?
good
please?
morning.
Good
Jeff
morning.
Lucas.
What's your name? Lucas?
Jeff
Lucas? All right, your lawyer's here.
I thought I heard Miss Mason's voice. I'd like to talk to her before she does Graham, if I could.
Hey, Mr. Walling, you need to talk to me?
Yes, I do. Hi.
Okay, breakout room,
6.
6.
6 is good.
Breakout room 6 then.
Okay, Judge. Well, maybe Mr. Ruffin's not gonna show today.
Okay. I don't know who this is. Can we send that person? Did we send that person another message, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor, and they've not responded thus far, but I can send another message. Thank you.
All right. If they don't respond, I don't know if they're seeing the messages or not, but that's a strange looking name, and I don't feel like having those kind of disturbances. All right, Mr. Hardcop, are you ready on Lucas? Lucas is here now.
Well, Judge, if you'll excuse me, I guess I'll go.
Okay.
All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Mr. Hardcop?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, good morning. We have Mr. Lucas here. Are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, and I just sent you a message. I had a chance to speak with the prosecutor. He just wants my client to take a defensive driving course and then schedule a new date with the court.
All right. Do you have that driving course information to forward to him? I'll give it to you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I am ready. I have a pen and piece of paper.
I'm gonna put it in the chat.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I have that information, Your Honor. I see it in chat. Thank you.
Let's call the case City of Detroit versus Jeffrey Lucas, case number SP 15051411, SP 15051571. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Attorney Zach Harkop appearing on behalf of the defendant, Jeffrey Lucas, who also appears in this call. Mr. Lucas, if you can hear me, can you please state your full name for the record?
Jeffrey Scott Lucas.
Today is a date and time set for arraignment. Go ahead, counsel.
As it goes with arraignment, Your Honor, I would waive a formal reading of the charges. I would have my client stand mute and have a not guilty plea entered on his behalf, and then continue any bond restrictions at this time.
All right, I'll enter not guilty plea, give him a $0 bond. Did you put your P number on the record, sir?
For the record, Your Honor, my P number is 78562.
Very well. I'm going to give him the pretrial date of February 23rd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m.
That works for me, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Have a great day, Mr. Lucas. Your attorney can give you some information about the class, all right?
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. All right, are we ready on Gabrielle?
Yes, Your Honor, you can bring her back out. Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Excuse me, Your Honor, for interrupting. This is the City Prosecutor, Dia Mason speaking. Since Prosecutor Goss is here, I will step out, Your Honor. I will leave the court with the court's permission.
Thank you so much. All right, it was good to see you again.
It was good to see you too, Your Honor. Thank you. Everyone have a good day. Bye.
All right, take care, Ms. Mason.
You have to go get her, Mr. Rucker. I can't get her out of there.
Okay.
We do, I think that's probably. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gabriel. Ms. Gabriel, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
She'd like to request a bench trial, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gabriel? I need to see your face, man. Why can't you put your face on the camera?
She
No one
told
has
me, Your
their
Honor,
face in the
that
camera, but I'm not able to hear you if I put my face in the camera. I have to hold the phone to my ear. I'm not able to hear you, sir.
All right, I gotta see you, man. I have to see it. I have to see it at least one time so I know.
Yes, I'm not able to hear is what I'm saying. If I put the camera up, everything you're saying, I won't be able to hear you.
All right, put your face on the camera now. Did you hear me? Miss Gabrielle, you need to put your face on the camera now. All right, we'll pass it. All right, let's go with Gates, City of Detroit versus Antone Redmond Gates, case number SP 1390458, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1499889, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1499895, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
All right, Rucker P number 61867 on behalf of Mr. Anthony Gates. Mr. Gates, state your name. Anthony Gates, state your name.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I was trying. My mic was muted. Sorry.
Hold on. Let me take one recess for a second. All right, Mr. Gates, Mr. Rucker, put your appearance on the record for Mr. Gates, please.
Tyron Rucker, P number 61867 on behalf of Mr. Anthony Gates. Mr. Gates, state your name again, please.
Anthony Gates.
Turn your video on, sir.
Trying to, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. You have valid license, registration, and insurance, sir?
No, Your Honor. I don't have a.
All right, let's let the city give him an offer. He has an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna pass it until the city can get an offer from the city on Mr. Gates' case. All right.
Okay.
We're ready on Mr. Graham, Your Honor. We're gonna set that for another date.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Edwin Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. He's not out.
Okay.
Make sure you're not the meeting. They call, I'll just give them a date.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I'll give you the opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. You want to just set a trial for this?
Yes.
All right, he said it had a trial the last time, so I'm gonna try this one more time, sir. May the 16th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, Mr. Graham?
Okay, May 16th, 2024.
At 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Yeah, it's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
I had
Pedro Solis, City of Detroit versus Pedro Solis, case number SP 1415805, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Tyron Rucker, P number 61867, on behalf of Pedro Solis. Mr. Solis, state your name.
Pedro Solis.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Solis, do you have valid insurance and registration, valid insurance and driver's license?
Yes, sir. I was gonna tell you, can I send you the screenshots of my insurance? I got it online.
Yeah, run his driver's license. Can you email me can you send me the insurance in my email
can you
address?
send me can you send me your email, please?
All right, so I'm gonna put it in the chat.
All right.
Put the email address in the chat. So send that to me as soon as you can. We'll run the license. If you have valid license and insurance, we'll dismiss the case.
All right.
Ms. Gabrielle, are you there? Did she leave? She left.
Did you do Mr. Gales?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know what Mr. Gale's outcome. I have a valid license for Mr. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Solis. I have a valid license, waiting on that insurance.
Okay.
Yeah, send it right now.
I pass the matter until I get that. City of Detroit versus Michael Laidler, case number SP 1494786, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Tyron Rucker, P number 61867, on behalf of Mr. Michael Laidler. Mr. Laidler, state your name.
Michael Laidler.
Your Honor, we'd ask that any warrants be recalled in this matter.
Enter a not guilty plea that we have, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Laidler, I can give you an opportunity to pay this reinstatement fee up front, $45, and to attempt to go get a license. If you choose, or you have an absolute right to a trial, or the offer is going to be failure to display, $240 fine. That would be today. What would you like to do, sir?
I'd like to pay.
The reinstatement fee, or you want to take the offer and pay the $240?
I'll take the offer and pay the $240.
All right, join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Rucker, read him his advice or rights.
And what was that offer again, Judge?
Failure to display, $240 fine.
Okay.
He has an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Kenneth Gill, case number.
This is Kenneth Gill.
SP 1193227, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1193242, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1461011. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Kenneth Gill.
Mr. Gill, state your name for the record, please.
Kenneth Gill.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, at least on the one matter. He's got another matter of dumping. I don't know if you know my fine on the dumping, illegal dumping is $500. I'm gonna let Mr. If he pleads to that, I'm gonna let Mr. Goss give him an offer on that.
I'll accept that.
Hold your horses. Don't be in a rush to climb up the gallows.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought he said it was $500.
Well, that's for one of them.
Yes.
It might end up being. Yeah.
All right. Let's,
only.
you have a bunch of matters, sir. Give him an offer right quick.
All these other ones I got to about, so let's just adjourn everything.
Well, let's get him going. Where is are we ready on Laidler?
Yes, Your Honor.
No,
Ms. Laidler, what do you want to do with these cases, sir?
Wait a minute. You said,
Oh.
Hold on. You said cases. We just had a one case, Judge. We had a right person.
2 cases, insurance and driver's license, civil infraction insurance. I gave him an opportunity to say he can pay the reinstatement fee, see if he can come back with a valid license, but he said he didn't want to do that.
Correct, Your Honor. He wants to go forward with the offer.
For failure to display?
Correct.
That's what you want to do. Can you raise your right hand, sir?
Is up.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rucker went over your other advice rights in breakout room. Did he not? Did he not go over the other advice rights in the breakout room?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
Yeah. No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November 7, 2023 at around 4:31 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Davidson and Dexter. Did you have any occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I don't have a license.
Why is that? Why couldn't you produce a license, sir?
Because they were suspended. I don't
Very
have
well.
one right now.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display, $240 fine. Stipulates the probable cause, will dismiss the other matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
When can you pay $240?
I can pay it in 2 weeks.
I'm gonna give you till January 25th, 2024 to pay it. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. And if you can come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Thank you.
February 26th, we have nothing.
25th.
26, we can adjourn. It's all that's on the camera.
All right, hold on a second.
Just show me.
Thank you. All right, hold on, Mr. Solis, he didn't give me an offer on Solis, I told you. Wilbur, I don't have an offer yet for you, Mr. Who is OF? Who is signed in as OF? What about Tierra? What's Tierra doing? Where's Tierra? I'm gonna put a show
I'm
clause
here,
on
Judge.
this.
My camera
Oh,
probably.
yeah, you're set for trial.
Can you see me?
It's in the park after dark ticket. Where's Mr. Goss? Is in the park after dark ticket. The officer is here. The officer's $240 fine dismiss upon payment. The officer was here. It's 240 and we'll dismiss upon payment. I don't know what's let me put you in a breakout room with what's going on with this officer Cervantes? Did he ever, where is he? He's not here.
That's a no officer. Just text me.
What about, did you give me an offer on Solis?
Your Honor, Mr. Salas is supposed to be sending you, he didn't send you the insurance?
Yeah, I just sent to him earlier.
Yeah, I don't see it. It didn't get here yet.
Yeah, because I think he has a valid driver's license, Your Honor.
He does have a valid license. The insurance, if you sent one of those pictures, then it's gonna take a minute to go through.
Can I send it to you in the chat in his room?
May it please the Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162, behalf of the people, I would dismiss since he has valid driver's license, I'll give him benefit of doubt for the no insurance.
Very well, we'll dismiss the case.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Goss.
Your Honor, which case was this?
So let's go back on the record with Solis, Pedro Solis. All right, that'll conclude that. I don't have the file, the other files. All right, Mr. Solis, you're free to leave. We'll close it out.
All right, then. God bless.
Be safe. God bless you as well.
What's the separate trial?
Separate pre-trial.
No, I don't have.
All right, so Kenneth Gill, we need the offer for. OF is gone. Well, all right, listen, what I'm gonna do is I have an emergency, a very serious emergency. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to stop right now, and Judge Taylor agreed to take over for me from this point. All right.
Okay.
I apologize.
Judge.
I apologize.
I hope everything's well, Judge.
Yeah, I don't think so, but I apologize, everybody. Thank you. We're on recess, thank you.
Attorney Wally, Attorney Tucker, can I meet you in a breakout room?
Sure, got one in mind?
I'm about to head to my office, so wherever you at, I'll meet both of you in the breakout room.
All righty.
Okay.
Okay. That's why I just did what I did. These two be trying to do a document.
They probably be canceled for tomorrow. Huh? What did you say? For the party, he probably should be canceled. Well, he's not. It seems like Adam Clemens was doing. They doing it with another group of people. Oh. Okay, can anybody hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so I just want to check with the attorneys really fast, so before Judge Taylor comes into the courtroom, I just want to see where we are and what do you guys need to proceed, so we won't, because it's already 10:30. So who was working with Jeffrey Lucas?
I think I was the attorney.
I'm talking to attorneys only. Anybody, any defendants, you guys can just hold tight. So I'm speaking only to defendants. So even if you hear your name called, I'm speaking to the attorneys. Are there any of these attorneys in breakout rooms? Yeah, Wallings is in. Oh, they all there. They all in there with Dante Goss. Huh. All right, Ms. Williams, are you already co-host? Yes, you already co-host.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I was just double checking.
And as just stated, we're not letting this person that's in the waiting room in because we can't really identify who that is.
Oh, that's what the judge said. Okay. Then we will-
Well, the one person, not the iPhone, but that Clodia person.
I don't see. Is it somebody in the?
Hold on, I'm sorry.
Oh, the
Yeah,
iPhone.
sorry. Okay, yeah, nope, it's just the one person. Yeah, that Clodia.
The one person is named.
Yeah, that name, we don't know who
And
that is.
Miss Tara, what's your last name? Just trying to clarify. What's your last name, Tara? Tara, you can unmute your device. What's your last name?
Tierra.
Tierra. Okay, thank you. What's your last name? Can you state your last name, Tierra, please? I'm trying to confirm that you're on our docket. The judge had an emergency, so he.
Tierra Ware. That's fine. Tierra Ware.
Oh, where? Okay, okay, the judge already had your file. Okay,
Ware, Ware.
Yes, I'm aware. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
You can mute your device. And iPhone, is it Wilbert Gistiner? You can unmute your device, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'm just trying to rename everybody. That's all. That's Will Gistiner. So it just seems like everybody.
Yes, sister.
Just 1 minute, Jalen gets. So I guess we can release this Kodak, whoever that is, because that's probably. So I released him since we were not able to identify him. The meeting is currently live, which is. Okay. I'm just gonna see what Dante is doing, and then I'm gonna put myself on mute.
Perfect.
Madam Clerk,
Okay, just 1 moment, Attorney Rucker. I'm talking to Attorney Goss.
oh, I'm sorry.
You're fine.
Get in here.
Mr. Orlando, you should have been prompted to join a breakout room. I need you to accept that prompt.
Can you hear me, Mr. Gates?
Yes.
Okay. See what I can find out here.
You know, I keep going back. I'm trying to get the clerk to put me in a guest or with Gonzalez.
Right.
But,
Then
because I don't have any capabilities.
neither do I.
Okay.
I
Okay,
think
that's fine. I don't have a problem with giving y'all capabilities. I just was not in control of this meeting and I was waiting for Judge Taylor to proceed. That's what take on. Now we can. I did speak to Dante Goss and he gave y'all some direction.
Yep.
Did he not?
He did.
So I'll give y'all some capabilities. And we can start putting in the breakout rooms and then y'all can start speaking to them.
If we're getting a new date, because it's a pre-trial, can we give that to you and send them on their merry way?
Is that what did Dante suggest?
I didn't ask that question because I thought we were only talking about trial, but the first person I'm talking to is a pre-trial. And he said, just give them a new date.
Okay, well.
If we can give them a new date without going on the record, I think everybody'd be a lot happier.
And then they won't have to wait. They can return on that new date to handle that.
Exactly.
Trial date leave for Judge Taylor.
Or an adjourned pre-trial, you know. So the date we're going with is
It would be February the 26th, 2024.
February 26th. That's both for pre-trials and trial dates?
The trial date we're gonna leave for Judge Taylor to address today.
Okay. No, but I mean.
I'm not giving out any new trial dates because they're too far out.
Gotcha.
Only when the judge is on the bench.
Gotcha. Okay, very good. All right, now.
Okay, let me give y'all co-host.
Thank you.
Don't unlock anything. Your access is strictly for the meetings. They're going back and forth to the breakout rooms.
Yep, yep. I can do Mr. Gates if you'd like right here live. He's a pre-trial. I'm getting a new. Okay, very good.
Move on to the breakout rooms and talk about it.
All righty.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
do I have the capabilities to put them in a breakout room?
Yeah, I made you co-host. I'll help you. Who do you want to speak with?
Yes, because I just saw where it just said I could put him in a waiting room.
I mean, you can, but you probably clicked on the screen. You have to actually click on the breakout room icon, and then from that point where it says unassigned, you select him. But Mr. Wilbur Gist, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so Attorney Rucker can come in there and speak with you. Please accept the offer for breakout room number 4. And yeah, Rucker, you're already in 4.
Madam Clerk, I'm stepping away for just a couple minutes if you need me.
Okay, that's fine.
Thanks.
Judge
Hello?
Yes, how can I assist you? Did somebody say anything that needed some assistance? Hello? Okay.
Did I lose Tyra? Right.
Shut up.
You have one new message, Thursday, 10:24 a.m.
Excuse me, are you supposed to stay inside this call?
Yes. Yes, Mr. Gist, until the fill-in judge comes in to prepare to hear the matters for this docket. Thank you.
Is there any time exactly that I've been here for 3 hours and I haven't gotten any type of I haven't seen anybody.
Mr. Gist, I understand your frustration. Everyone is here just as long as you have been, but there was an emergency with Judge Perkins, and that is the reason why we're waiting now. We had to get an emergency fill-in judge. So that judge that's coming in has to do their docket, her docket, excuse me, before she does get an opportunity to zoom into our courtroom to handle these matters. I understand if you're not in a position to wait, and I don't know if that's what you're saying, but that